Alright, this is going to be a fun one. It's a 2021 Porsche 911 Carrera. And this is just a regular Carrera. It's not an S or 2S or 4S or turbo, although they are turbo. They're all turbos now. It's a 3-liter twin turbo, 379 horsepower. They get up and scoot. I mean, it's got a 8-speed PDK Tiptronic type transmission, like a sport transmission. It's got the paddle shifts here. And you can just drive this car normal, cruise it, in traffic, whatever, not like the old Porsches. Or you can hammer it, man. I mean, you can go out in the corners and, you know, maybe take an aggressive driving class and join the Porsche club like I did, and it's a lot of fun. I mean, you really know what the car's all about then. You know, driving around the streets is, you know, you can't even use the capacity and the power that this car has. But this has a extended range fuel tank, which is nice. Holds a lot more fuel, so you don't have to stop so often for gas. It's got all kinds of electronics. Nowadays, the technology has really surpassed anything that Porsche used to have. It's got navigation, of course, and all, you know, all the air conditioning controls. It's voice command. Like I said, the PDK transmission is very simple to use. You put it in manual mode, and you can shift yourself with the paddle shifts. Extra fast. But power locks, heated vented seats, pretty loaded. This one's like brand new. It's a 2021. It's got 3,200 miles on it. It's still under warranty, and it's a special order. So it's a Aventurine Green, beautiful color. It's like a greenish gray with Iceland Green Leather, they call it. You know, it's got the full leather dash, but beautiful car. We're gonna pull over up here and take some more pictures for you and more video. All right, check out this 2021 Porsche 911 Carrera. Beautiful car, special ordered in Aventurine Green Metallic. It's got Iceland Green Leather interior, full leather dash, has the premium package, 20 and 21 inch staggered turbo wheels. It's a 3-liter twin turbo, 379 horsepower. Pretty cool car, man. It's got the glass sunroof with shade. Lots of options. I got the window sticker. I got both keys. One owner, 3,200 miles, still under factory warranty, just ready for trouble-free use. You don't have to wait. There's a waiting list for these cars. You got to wait, and especially if you want a special color. Now you can just take this one home with you. It's just barely broken in. Show you the interior. It's got the sports seat option, the hard backs. Really cool. Even has a back seat, if that's what you want to call it, but you know, in a pinch, you can put someone back there. All the controls, a lot of electronics, very nice. I mean, these cars have come a long ways. Lots of goodies in there. 8-speed PDK transmission. Beautiful ride, nice color, ready to go. Here's a sign of the times. You can't see the engine. It's all buried in there. Nothing to do, just drive it. When it tells you to change oil, you change your oil. You know, you do your regular maintenance at the Porsche dealership. They want to touch it, they don't want you messing with it. The car is really reliable. Let's go ahead and fire this one up for you. Like Porsche Racing, always had the key on the left-hand side. Long time ago when they would race cars, they'd start the engines from the outside. That's why they put it on the left side. You reach through the window, you start your engines. Drivers start your engines, they hop in and race. A little trivia for you. Anyhow, that's what somebody taught me. Beautiful car, ice cold air. Nice and smooth. I'm by myself, so I can't rev it up for you, but man, these things sound good when you put the power to them. And there's upgrades you can do. Porsche sells all kinds of aftermarket stuff. Tech art, if you want tech art equipment, spoilers, you name it, you can get it. Well, if you want to see this one in person, come out to California Cars. We're at 2158 Union Place in the city of Simi Valley, California. Phone number here is 818-591-1313. My name is Rich. I'd be happy to show you the car. It's as new and ready for you to enjoy. Thanks for watching.